Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your DELL XPS 13 without the Microsoft account. If you wanna skip the Microsoft account during setup, then first of all you shouldn't connect to Wi-Fi, and if you already have done that, you should walk away from the router or turn the router off if you can for a moment until our laptop restarts in one of the steps, in actually the first step. Until it restarts, it should just be not able to connect to internet for a moment. So once we have that established, you should click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard. If it doesn't do anything, then click on Shift F10 and F10. F10 is on the left side of the window key on the bottom row of the keyboard. So let's try that. Yeah, and these three keys helped. So now you should simply use your mouse to click on the top bar of this black window, just like that. And now we'll type in a command. It has to be, I'm gonna first zoom it in for you. So yeah, OOBE /bypassNRO, like that. These are O's, not zeros. Click on enter, and now the laptop will restart. And don't connect to network just yet. I mean, don't go back to your router if you already have connected before. It's just that if you've entered the password, then there's no way to disconnect. There's no other way than just losing the connection forcefully. So now it may take a moment for the laptop to restart. Okay, and now we are in the setup process. So all you should do now is simply select the country or region, of course, click on yes, then select the keyboard layout or input method. And if you want to add a second one, feel free to click on add layout. I'm gonna skip that, and now it shows you a new option that have just appeared, which is I don't have internet. And this is the option that we have created by entering the command OOBE and so on. And now once you've clicked on I don't have internet, you can go back to the router or stay wherever you are. It doesn't really matter. But of course, if you haven't connected to the internet before, then you wouldn't have to go walk away, right? Let's enter the local account name, and also I highly recommend entering a password. Then you'll need to confirm it and also answer 3 security questions that you need to answer truthfully, so don't forget the answers to them, because in case you do, then your password will be unrecoverable if you forget the password itself. So make sure you won't forget the security questions answers. And then some privacy settings. I highly recommend just reading them on your own and deciding on your own which ones to choose. And also I highly recommend having a password. I didn't do that just to make the process quicker, but yeah, I highly recommend doing that, so you're more secure and no one else besides you has access to your laptop's private data. Now I'm gonna get back to you when this configures. It's not gonna take too long. And now the account is set up, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. By the way, you can connect to the internet now, and bye.